Hello everyone, welcome to Conceptual Psychology. Myself Krishna Mehra, your educator for research, methodology and statistics. So today we will be covering some of the topics like outliers, standard scores, population, sample, statistics and parameter, and standard error. So let's move ahead with the lecture. First is outliers. हमने बहुत बार पूरे lectures में सुना outlier है, एक deviant observation है. So finally we will discuss outliers in detail. Why study outliers? होते क्या है? अगर हम ये series of data देखें, if we look at this series of data, so 120 is very deviant. So 120 is similar to other observations. It is not. Other observations are around 50, 45, 48, 50, 52, 53, 54. But here it is 120. So they are unusually different from the rest of the data. Such observations are called outliers. जो भी सारी ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं उससे कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा डिविएट कर रहा है, सो दैट विल बी आउटलायर. ये बहुत ही डेविएंट है. या तो टू हाई है या टू लो है. An outlier is a data point that lies at an abnormal distance from other values in a random sample from population. In simpler term, it is an observation that deviates so much from other observations as to arouse suspicion that it was generated by a different mechanism. हो सकता है हम हाइट मेजर कर रहे हो एक सर्टेन ग्रुप की, and heights were like 140 centimeter, 142, 138 centimeter, 135 centimeter, and suddenly you see somewhere 190 centimeter. So it arouses a question. एक question, एक suspicion आता है कि इसका source क्या है? Is it fabricated? Is it real? What is the cause of this particular observation? हमारा जो group है, एक पर्टिकुलर क्लास है, वहाँ पर हाइट तो इसी रेंज में लाई कर रही है. इट इज लाइंग इन द रेंज ऑफ 135 to 145 फॉर एग्जांपल. सो व्हाई 190 सच अ डेविएंट नंबर? सो दिस नंबर इज कॉल्ड, this observation will be outlier for this particular data set. So sources and causes of outliers. Data entry और measurement error. हो सकता है it was 10 but आपने data entry के टाइम उसे 100 एंटर कर दिया हो. So it is a simple human mistake. Then sampling error. We were measuring the height of adult, but by mistake we took child as well. हमने गलती से child की भी height डाल दी. So हम 140 सेंटीमीटर की बात कर रहे थे. Heights of adults are 172, 170, 175, 176. So ये बहुत अजीब सा नंबर है. आउटलाई कर रहा है, ये बाहर है. So it is an outlier. Data from a different population accidentally being included in the sample. हमने sampling में mistake कर दी. Sampling is the process जहाँ पर हम एक subset of group लेते हैं पूरे population से. We will study in today's lecture only. तो हम sampling में error कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों को select करने में error डाल रहे हैं. For example, हमें depression की severity देखनी है among depressed patients or who are hospitalized, but गलती से we took data for attendants and they were not depressed. Natural variation. हो सकता है naturally data or data point is existing, genuinely extreme value from the true population distribution. These are not errors, they are existing in real life, like a heat wave temperature. पूरे जुलाई का मंथ है, सडनली 2 days के लिए हीट वेव आता है. सो टेम्परेचर राइज होगा, सो अराउंड 45, 47. ऑन अदर डेज इट इज अराउंड 32, 38, 33. सो यहाँ पर जो है नेचुरल वेरिएशन भी हो सकता है. एक रूम में बहुत सारे मिडिल क्लास लोग बैठे हैं एंड सडनली अ बिलियनियर एंटर्स, तो उस रूम की जो एवरेज इनकम है इट विल डेविएट टुवर्ड्स द आउटलायर. इंटेंशनल क्रिएशन, डेटा पॉइंट्स प्रोड्यूस बाय डिफरेंट ऑफन हिडन प्रोसेस. हो सकता है कोई हिडन प्रोसेस हो उससे वो डेटा आया हो, फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस. Why are outliers important? क्यों है important? हमने देखा measures of central tendency में mean was highly sensitive. We have already discussed this point in our previous lectures. Mean is highly sensitive to outliers because it takes all observation. वो सारी observations को लेता है and जो mean है it is pulled towards outlier. हमने ये skewed population में भी देखा था. Becoming unrepresentative of the bulk of the data, the median and mode are robust and remain largely unaffected. We have already discussed this. कि जब outliers होते हैं, median is most suitable measure of central tendency. Then measure of dispersion or variability. The range again highest minus lowest and standard deviation are highly sensitive to outliers. Hence interquartile range. Quartiles हमने पढ़ा था. Interquartile range is a robust measure of spread that resist their influence. Model building, although we will be studying these topics in more advanced statistics later on. So in regression models, outliers can leverage the regression right toward them, changing the slope and undermining the model's predictive accuracy. So यहाँ पर भी error डालता है predictive accuracy. Inferential statistics, they can violate the assumption of normality. Data जो है वो normal नहीं रहेगा ना. Outlier है हमने पढ़ा था, so data skew हो जाएगा, right? And normal shape तो ऐसा होता है bell shape. So outliers can lead to violation of assumption of normality in parametric test and increase the likelihood of type 1 and type 2 error, which we will be studying. What are these? Positive and negative outliers. Positive जो है unusually high observation, 15, 18, 20, 21, 90. So it is positive outlier towards higher end. So it is towards higher end. Negative outlier is unusually low. हम lower end की तरफ है. It is unusually lower value, like 20, 21, 23 and minus 15. Or we can take 90, 92, 94, 93, 97 and we have a value of 2. So this is also negative outlier. Methods of detecting outliers. हमें सिर्फ याद रखना है. So there are visual methods. Visual methods में first is box plot. कुछ ऐसा दिखता है box plot. Most widely used graphical method. Whenever you go to SPSS and if you go to descriptive statistics, you can get these plots easily for your data. Outliers appear as individual points beyond the whiskers. These are the whiskers. ये हैं जो ये outliers हैं. इस range के बाहर, fences के बाहर जो है, these are outliers. Whiskers typically extend to 1.5 times of interquartile range. No need to remember this. You just have to remember conceptually box plot क्या होता है. हम पूरे डेटा को फिर क्वार्टाइल्स में डिवाइड करते हैं and if you can remember it is 1.5 times of IQR. Advantage is simple, easy to interpret, suitable for most data sets. It is very simple to interpret like this. Whisker के बाहर ये outliers है. Scatter plot. This is scatter plot. Outliers appear as points that are far from the main cluster. ये outlier. सारे डेटा जो है वो क्लस्टर अराउंड हो रहे हैं, but this is outlier. This is far from the cluster. So scatter plot is used when examining relationship between two variables. Points lying far from the main cluster may represent outliers. Just academic achievement is variable 1 and test anxiety is variable 2. So we plotted the relationship between these two variables and this was the outlier. जो डॉट जो डेटा अलग है पूरे स्कैटर से, that is outlier. Application correlation and regression analysis. Then histogram. It displays the frequency distribution of the data. We have already studied these. Isolated bars, the extreme ends may indicate potential outliers. Like this, these are outliers. Outliers appear as isolated bars at the extreme ends of the distribution. So ये तीन methods हैं, visual methods हैं, box plot, scatter plot and histogram. Then we have statistical methods. Although this IQR method or interquartile range method is nothing but box plot का ही एक extension है, application है. A robust non-parametric method that is less affected by extreme values, calculate the Q1 and Q3. Then we have interquartile range and we calculate the fences. ऐसे ही है. So this is one of the statistical method, that is interquartile range method. No need to remember this, but हाँ एक interquartile range जो है उससे हम outliers detect कर लेते हैं via calculating. Statistical methods में दूसरा है z-score method. We will be studying z-score in detail, but z-score का formula होता है raw score minus mean upon standard deviation. And अगर ये 3 से ज़्यादा है, it is an outlier. कोई भी data point अगर 3 से ज़्यादा z-score पे lie कर रहा है, then it is likely an outlier. It is simple to calculate, useful for normally distributed data and frequently used in psychological research. हम z-score को multiple times use करते हैं, multiple जगह पर use करते हैं. Limitations: it is sensitive to outliers because it depends on the mean and standard deviation. They both are very sensitive to outliers. Not suitable for highly skewed distributions. Now, strategies for handling outliers. It refers to the process of deciding whether to retain, modify, or remove extreme observations after carefully investigating their cause and impact on the analysis. So, कुछ methods हैं जिससे हम कुछ strategies हैं. By using them, we handle outliers. First is verify the data. पहले हमें verify करना है before taking any action. Check whether the outlier is due to data entry. अगर 60 है और हमने 600 लिखा हुआ है, so it is an error. Measurement error है, हमने scoring गलत कर ली, we did wrong scoring, a wrong totaling, a wrong calculation, use wrong formulas. So that is measurement errors. Instrument malfunction. अगर हम weighing machine use कर रहे हैं and it is already faulty, so we have to check that. Coding errors, again we have used any code, so whether codes are wrong or not. The recorded score was 650, actual score was 65, so this is one of the error, data entry errors. So we correct the errors here. Then retain the outlier. Keep the outlier when it represents a true observation. अगर वो सच में ऐसा है, then we will keep it as a true observation. We will retain the outlier. A person can have an exceptionally high IQ. It is very possible, but rare, but possible. So we will count that data. So we will retain that data. Rare psychological disorder, या rare neurological or mental disorder. Extremely high depression score in a clinical sample. बहुत ही treatment resistant जो है वो depression है और बहुत prolonged है, तो उसका जो rating आ रहा है, severity आ रहा है, it is extremely high. So that will, in that case we will retain the outlier. It is genuinely there. Removing genuine observations may lead to biased results. Otherwise हम हमारे जो results आएंगे, they will be biased if we will not count that. Removing the outlier. Remove the observation only when there is a clear evidence that it is a recording error, measurement error, impossible value, and observation from the wrong population. हमने देखा कि 142 आई थी और हम तो adults का ही देख रहे हैं. Right. So we will simply remove this outlier because it was child and we are only interested in adults. So we will remove this particular data on this particular value. Example, age recorded as 250 years. It is not possible that human age extend to 250 years. So we will definitely remove this. We are surveying a people in a market and we got age of 250 years, we will remove that particular entry.